Alright, to get started, I'm just going to drag two video clips onto my timeline that I like to add a transition between. Then I'm going to go over to the effects library and try to drag a video transition between my two clips. But no matter how hard I try to drag my transition between the clips, it just doesn't seem to want to stick. The problem is that the two clips haven't been trimmed at all, so Resolve doesn't have enough footage to work with at the end of your first clip and beginning of your second one. To fix this, just drag the end of your first clip in a little bit to trim it, and then trim the beginning of your second clip just a tad before reconnecting the two clips. Now that I've done my trims, I'm able to add any transition I want between my two clips. Okay, that's all for now. I hope you found this video useful, thanks for watching, and see you next time.